the show never ends. Welcome back to our friends. So give them the update. Tell them how people receive you, what's been going on.
Well, so far, right? Tomorrow morning, I have somebody I took a nigga.
You go pick them up?
Yeah.
You go all the way nigga for fish? To bring them here, sir? Oh, you mean? You get taxi service now?
Well, I'm building it.
Free soup today? This is what going on, sir, brother. Mr. Faster, give them your number.
466-4290.
Say it again, no, like a man.
1876-466-4290.
That's Mr. Faster. This people over the world, let me show you something. Me and the man here, I do some construction for the past 1 month. We're not going to see it. See now, I'm the hardest working man in Jamaica. Anything you have to do, painting, any assistance you want. Montego Bay there. Are the hardest working youth there at Jamaica. I mean, that's him. You see me? So where you number again?
466-4290.
1876-466-4290. Me and him have moved through and let me tell you something. You're not going to see the video, but I want to know if take care of him. On a real note, if you don't want to the yard weed up, if you don't want tree plant, if you don't want to the grill them paint, if you don't want the house clean, we talk about trust. Later I'm going to show you what I give him because of the trust. You see me? Man, I have 6 youth to take care of, so this is Randy. You know my kind of scruffy and thing. See the king there? Man, you see, I feel him carry out, you know, people. The man not just the soup, you know. If you don't want me to pick up on the airport, the man I got to Negril to pick up somebody. I say, see now? I say, you know, him, you know, want to talk about business, him will not buy the boat engine for, make him manage the thing for, you know, with the fisherman them.
Yes, sir.
Me tell you, give them the number again.
781-1422.
781-1422. Yeah. I'm tell you, sir.
There's that evidence of the license, just in case.
Evidence of the fish license.
Yes, because you know, person question.
Everybody want to do business at Jamaica. Fishing, seen them.
Everybody go and question the thing, so we want to know, say, boy, you know, see it for yourself so you don't joke about it. You understand?
Right, so okay. With the fish not done yet in there, sir?
Yeah, man, fish tea ready.
No, all fish tea ready. Give it 2 fish dinner.
Oh, me live in the van.
Him living in the van. So the man have him boss, him have him business, but this is the man who can manage your fishing business enterprise. Fish have to sell out the road. Fish have to sell.
Man. Food have to eat.
Food have to eat.
Come on, food is served.
See a Jamaica good lifestyle that team there. And him a work. And this one is the handyman for Jamaica good life. Yeah. Cabbage man. You see her now? You're gone now. A cabbage man never go call you. You see him there? I am the cabbage man in Jamaica. If you don't want to steam cabbage, come to him. No, I'm going to get a fish tea and a red peas. You can take the red peas. Alright? So right now, you know, so we're there in front of Mega Mart in Montego Bay. This is my spot. And what time now? 11:37. So when you come off, when you know have him number, so when you come for Jamaica, make sure say link him up on an everyday thing, because the man will have him taxi service now. Him can pick him up at the airport, so he might have to get a man to take care of the food while he come pick him up. But make sure say when you come off of the plane, make sure say, cause 15 minutes from the airport, you know, and if you don't want him to pick him up and bring him come drink this soup, him have him vaccine. So this.
I have an aunt fell for that lady, that 88-year-old lady. My aunt fell for.
Oh, you watch my Auntie Lena. Alright. I'm gonna answer that, you know. You see it. You see it, appear love with you with, you know.
Anything.
So how the people might treat you?
Well, so far it's good. And it's getting better every day.
But now me just tell them, say, when them land,
Yeah.
them can't call you pick them at the airport, you have to let somebody with the soup.
We work it out.
I know you're a taxi man, soup man, and fisherman. Oh, it is. The man a fisherman. Hey, people, me not lie to you, you know. You must start the fishing business with him. Are you see when I save enough money for buy a boat engine? How much for a boat engine?
Well, you can get 40, roughly 560.
600 US. Jesus Christ, man. Then when I get the 600 US, a boat engine, I'm going fish official. You see me? Yes, my people, Mega Mart, Montego Bay, big up on yourself. MoBay, run the day or so. And see the man there. This is the Prince of MoBay, hardest working man in a Montego Bay. Give them the number again.
1876.
He said, talk up like a man.
1876 4290. Mr. Faster.
What you can do for them?
Anything we want for them.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Tell them what you do. Don't tell people anything.
Well, painting, clean them, wash them,
Garden, mix cement.
mix cement.
And if they don't want to buy for teeth nothing from their yard, you don't for car.
And you then, right.
See him get a new shoes, Mr. Faster. We're going to do a tour. You're going to give us a Montego Bay tour. I love your work. You're like a Usain Bolt of hard work. And we respect what the relationship with work. And then I'm going to see with some endorse for Montego Bay. Big up to any of your friends and family, please. Give a shout out.
Well, they got my wife.
We talk about your wife. Come over here to the son. Talk to her.
Well, they got my wife, they got my kids, they got my family, my mother, my sister, my brother.
And 6 youth you take care.
6 youth, they got my whole work, Jamaica, Bradley Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life, big up. You know, big up the whole Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
Without them, this year.
Respect. Alright, invasion of the pot. You know, so the cabbage man has said nothing to me since me coming up. I like people not talk to me now. Boom! So the cabbage man. See him there?
Yeah, man.
The only vegetable they make you look after.
Cook, man.
Brother, you have to grow up in there. You can't make them boy treat you like only vegetable you make.
No, man, me cook, man.
Where you cook?
Rice, everything.
Okay, alright. Vegetable look good.
But you know, when you're done, you have to still deal with the veg.
Yeah. Everything look nice. I'm glad someone come early. The fish smell good.
If you can reach us tomorrow, for example.
Tomorrow, what going tomorrow?
Tomorrow about 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
We'll see evidence of the first about there.
Yeah, you go. Yeah, what you say? Alright, what for there then? The soup soon ready.
You ready? Soup ready, man. Everything ready. And after I tell me cook, man. And deal with the veg. Cook.
What do people need to know about you? You look strong, enough, brother.
150, yeah, man. 180.
Tell them, oh, you're so strong. Tell them about your history. Where you come from, your mother, who loved you when you were little. Tell me something. The world I don't know. Who's you? What's your name?
My name Joseph Boy. Come from Samatan. Born and grew up Samatan.
What name Samatan?
Oh, that side.
A bad man area?
No.
Okay.
Live in Montego Bay, Montego Hills. Work at Captain Cook.
How many years?
Many years. Many years.
So you're the top dog. So we're going to call you top dog. What them call you? Teddy? No, teddy bear thing, man. Me can't call you Teddy. I call you top dog. You see him? Top dog. And the woman them for call you Teddy. Me no call you no Teddy, brother. Oh, forward with them things there. Top dog. TG. You see me? Around the Jamaica Good Life crown you, top dog. Yeah. None of the dog get nobody like you in the yard. You see me? Real thing. No man no call, no man no Teddy. What going Teddy? Now gonna happen. Not today, not tomorrow.
Alright,
top dog. From now on, this man's name is? What's name?
Big dog.
Alright. Hey! And the big dog chef this. See him there? A veggie man cook, but put on your mask, top dog, because the people don't like to see. The whole I don't even put on the mask, because the Prime Minister will call you now. Tell them no mask. So, around there, have to come in at the place and raise up everybody. That's how we do it. Man devil stand up. Yaga. Guys, we're there, Montego Bay with the friends. Them are our friends now. It's the top dog there. And the big fisherman. Top dog, love and honor to you. Respect. You make Jamaica good. You stay with the thing firm. Oh, you got to keep the people them safe when them come down. Food.
Yeah. Sanitize their hand, make sure so them sanitize their hand, wash their hand, take care of them. Make sure bathroom is here, everything is here.
You know, so everybody from foreign come at that spot here. Yeah, want to better clean it good, you know? Me no want nobody call me and say, Randy, You hear me say?
Yeah.
Because international, no, they might come look for you, and you, I'm going to deal with that one back then one other day.
Yeah.
It look like say him start the thing around there, so. I him started, right?
Come on. Yeah.
So where him name? Where him name?
Richard.
Richard? Where him gangster name?
Otherwise called Richie. Brown man. A brown man.
A brown man, okay. Brown man, alright. It's a pleasure to meet you guys. It's always a friendly thing with food program where we look for the good people them.
You see?
You see it?
All the yam them are over countryside. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. They start putting out them.
The yam them, what me plan? I said me put in the hill, you know?
See that?
I'm a spiritual yam that, you know, when that bus out boy have to run.
Yes.
So what kind of yam hill that? I tell me put in the hill.
Tell them put in the hill.
Yeah.
He said when you start, you guys know. You know, don't know. All my link up, you have to go for this.
Top dog. Me love you, no man. I saw Jamaican for live and one day I go buy some drinks when I'm done. But people, this is Montego Bay right in front of Mega Mart. Yeah, so see Jamaica Good Life catch him, see Brown down there. I feel life around here, so see him there set up the soup. The best soup, and so the big time chef, the top dog. So all of the rootsman them and all of the nice ladies them want to come out from the plane. You have to come here, so go up on the iPhone and tell on the taxi man, Google Mega Mart. Don't eat no food, no drink no soup. If the plane touch down and go X. Yes sir. You see me? And meet the best soup man in the world and so the best chef them there. You see me I say? So make them business get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So when them get real big, and if we don't need things we do in our yard, see it. So I'm going to drink my soup now. Give me a spoon, my lad. Yes, sir. See the fish soup there?
I see the cold food soup, yeah.
The cold food there. People, you know around the date already, I travel the world. Vancouver, food, the best.
And chicken neck.
The turkey neck, the chicken foot, the cold foot.
Yeah.
On the go along in our history as the greatest and the good. And the soup, the way the man deal with the thing is like, we want to buy it, freeze it. And enough days I pass here, so you know, there, you know. It me vex, you know, brother. How am I say?
When you have to look butter and you have to be flexible, you got to do what you got to do.
Let me say, enough day I pass and I say, I want to the man and know say he must work on Christmas Day.
You know, the kids are very expensive and the body is expensive, so you got to take care of the family.
So you had some family time?
Yeah, man, and making sure that whatever you can earn,
yeah,
so that your family can be okay. Christmas.
Yeah. Santa Claus was nice this year. See him there? Man called Soupy. People? Yes, Soapy. You sell off. Nice, right? Hey people, may I drink this phone now, you know? Right off at the airport, plane just where the song where it says the plane touchdown, where how it go?
The plane land.
Just don't touch down at the airport.
Yeah.
If me did from Illinois, them call you?
Yeah, man.
And when them
Evidence.
Say, and when them say when them come?
Yeah, man, them come and in fact they don't want me to pick them up. But that's because of the holiday and everything. And them have
Everybody want to pick them up.
Yeah. That's okay, man. It's a good book. It's a good man.
Mhm.
It's up to how you do it, yeah?
Yeah.
That's it. So we have a challenge here, man. We'll be flexible.
You're good. You're flexible. Can I tell them say 15 minutes from the airport, so I don't know, you know?
No.
And when them just when them reach outside,
Yeah.
call you.
Yes, man.
Cause of 15 minutes you're there.
Never turn off.
No. Drink the soup, yeah, people. Me have a good driver phone, you know, we take it right to the food. I mean, talk about Jamaica good life, right? You know the slogan for Jamaica good life? Living in Jamaica in the good life. All we really want now is a good one.
You get called already?
No, not quick. The man international. China soon call him. You see? What difference between this food and restaurant is that the food is the best in Montego Bay. The fish food, nice. And the team is polite. They work fast and thing. And this fish, I said them debone it. So when you guys come off the airport, everybody, when you come off the airport, I'm gonna put the numbers up. So make these guys successful. This is Randy for Jamaica Good Life. So I'm gonna go finish drink my soup in peace and tranquility. I want to say that everybody who subscribe and love the program, we do a lot of free promotion and help people with them business for free. And we still pay for them food. We don't beg nobody for nothing, brother. Them even call me beggar too, you know. My mom say I walk out and I eat food and I pay for everything. People don't know, people don't know, people don't know.
Yeah.
You know, when I came here, them always I say, you know, Montego be a crime or Montego be a this.
Yeah.
See there? I hate that. That's when I come to Jamaica for. Yeah, see there. I'm gonna drink it for now. So them tell me say Montego beer, this Montego beer, that. Montego beer, this Montego beer, that. And you know what I do? Me check it out for myself.
Yeah.
I realize that Montego beer not different from nowhere else in Jamaica. Them one class the place as just a crime place, but Jamaica Good Life have to come and find you, find them, and show them say everybody I live life, mind your business. We don't know what tomorrow may hold, but me know say the soup ya so. And soup ya hold me. I hope you control me. You know why you not see me a plumber me I do 1 month.
See a month.
You see me online. See the, every day yeah. Now for watch you watch me, you know, brother. Watch yourself. See the one them there. So I'm gonna take care of them for me. I'm gonna drink my soup later. Boat fishing and the boat
Right.
engine.
So in a sense, you have 2-stroke and you have 4-stroke. So you can get a 2-stroke 40 for roughly 5 something. You can get
5 something.
Yeah, like 565 40 depends.
Really?
Yeah, man, that's true.
A
It's
boat
actually-
engine, and look at engine for go fishing.
Yeah, man. You can get smaller thing, but you want something that efficient.
And you can buy
Because-
it in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, you can get it in Jamaica. Yamaha sell it here, and they're going good so far. Understand? So when you look at it, you want to know when you go out there in the water, and you can capitalize effectively. You want something that if you end up getting to rough sea per se, you have something that carry back in. That is important. Yeah, that is important. You understand me? That is very important. So in a sense, I'm not gonna say take a smaller engine per se, and then you can capitalize when you get to that challenge.
Got it.
Right.
You want soap?
300. Red beans. No.
So this is soup in Montego Bay, the king of Jamaica soup, and the greatest soup me drink out of Jamaica. So the man is also a license, and I'm going to show you license in a second. A
When the boy
license.
scam me though.
The little boy take it out?
Yeah, take it out.
You take it
Yeah,
out?
take out him so the water with his stuff.
Alright.
So me not find it just.
One of them baby I rob him, so
We can't tolerate that.
family just rob him. Nice. The soup pot full, and these are the fish soup, fish tea. So when you come off of the airport, you know what to do. Just Google Mega Mart. On Google, I'm gonna drive. I bring on the right at the fish tea. All right. Watch the time. Make sure you call them. You know me. I say, give them the number again.
So 781 1422.
On the call him when on the land because him have a vehicle too and him can pick on up. But you know, work with him because you go for somebody from Negril.
Yeah. They got here on Saturday.
So they saw the video and they said, no, we.
Yeah, man.
The 3 bills soup them gone up in the price, you know, 4 bills now, no. Big man. No more 3 bill soup, a $4 feet now, a 4. No more 3 bill soup, a 4. $1 for him, $1 for me. Hey, I want 100 for me, 3 for him. A Montego Bay, you know, brother. So we do it. So all the soup, you like it?
Yeah, man.
How much years you buy from him?
Each a year. No problem. As I tell you, we get new customers.
Come to see you already, you know. You did come here already. Jamaica Good Life on YouTube.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Respect, sir.
Respect. Yeah, man. So as I was saying now,
We're talking about the fishing business.
Right. So it makes sense you have good engine to capitalize if you end up into rough seas, because we can go out there, stroll in the banks, right, just to catch our bonita or mai or kingfish, you know, you name it. And then you end up in rough seas. You want to have something that you can capitalize effectively to come back to shore.
To come back.
Right.
You can't go fishing and not come back.
You have to
Like
think
you
about,
feed the shark them.
No, yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. You're going to catch something. You're going to try to use something to catch something. But at the end of the day, you have to make sure that you can get back to shore. That is
So you're
very
saying
important.
me can buy a boat engine, a boat engine for 700 US,
Yeah,
and the boat itself a man can make it for you.
you can make it because, for example, if you go out every day and you can actually catch 30 pounds of fish, for example, 30 pounds of fish per day. Now this depends on the fish that you catch. So if it's a snapper base or grunt where you can get like $600 or $700 per pound, and you can get your bonita, and your kingfisher and so forth, you can get roughly like $500 per pound. Now you can sell that. So if you catch like say 20 pounds of bonita, right, and you get 500, 2 5 or 10, that's roughly a $10,000 right there. You understand me? Now, when you look at the other fish, if you catch even 5 or 10 pounds of the other fish, that's $6,000 or $7,000. You can make something every day from that. And if you consistently do, you take your gas money out of it, it works.
Give thanks. So
that's a basic knowledge of what it can be better.
The soup doctor and the fisherman. So what I must say to you is that a man can make the boat, you know, can get the engine and him just assign a fisherman. This is the spot where everybody talking about all over the world. On the search for Mega Mart on Google in Montego Bay. We're gonna come off of the airport. You see me? And once you do that, we're gonna have the best soup. And you think the soup bad? I'll tell you something about the fish dinner. The fish dinner and the chicken wicked too. Alright, so I love that spot here. One of my favorite spots in Montego Bay. Yeah. So one must come check it out. This is Jamaica Good Life. You see, if you don't have a flat tire too, in a Montego Bay, call them and then we send people to come pick on our bar, take care of the online motor vehicle fitness. Call them people that Jamaican boots up their business and help them. So Tyrone is here with us. The man have him taxi. So now you would hire a boatman and supervise him.
Yeah, man.
Come and know so you have multiple business now.
You have to be flexible. So
to build the boat, how much will that cost? About $1,000 US? Not even so much.
No, I don't think so. Well, material wise.
Yeah, and the work and seal it,
right,
and
it might not reach so much.
so wait there, you tell me say $1,500 US.
Yeah, man,
Can start the fishing, you can put a man to work.
Yes, man, right away. Right away.
See the big man there?
Yeah, man, right away. Somebody can actually actively.
Yeah, said to me. You know other fishing men you can put to work right now.
Yes, man, right.
So if a man call you tomorrow
Right.
and say, see the $1,500 yeah.
Right,
when him come down in 2 weeks, he will see the boat and the
boat
engine.
and
And if him don't have that, he just call me if he gun you down.
No problem.
See that?
No problem. We're not afraid of
No deal with nothing easy, you know. See the fish tea there that we drink every morning. Give me another big one. Come here, we bring it home. How you doing, sister? I'm gonna leave out. Do your thing. So the fish dinner ready? I'm gonna wait a small one, please. Enough extra veg. Yeah, man, this is our superstar, Jamaica Good Life superstar. And when I get my $1,500, is a boat me want. Me just I'll drop off and give the money, and 2 weeks later me come check for the boat and the engine.
Alright, there's Yamaha in Spanish Town.
Yeah.
Kingston. And I went there, I saw the prices, it's varied. So you have boats from different
The show is
sizes.
600 US, I know
I'm
$6,000.
I'm positive.
Okay.
Well, let's back up a little. Back up a little. It's not.
You see,
I just get you. I just get you. So let us be.
Let's be mathematically correct.
Exactly.
Yeah, talk about 600,000.
Exactly.
Right, 600,000. Yeah, look near 5,000, 6,000 around there. So the boat now is wood, so that a man go curve that and $1,000 no bad. So I know $1,600. And when a 6,000 US will get you a business started with a boat man and put a man to work and you have business. So if you retire, I am if a call. I want to make no money. Please give me my cut. Make sure it's Randy getting cut because I just closed a business deal for Ono. That's what Jamaica Good Life is about, building Jamaica. This is the highest level, doing business and teaming up trusted people with trusted people. The program has been going from 2005. So, them need to give me the National Hero Award now, but I'm not going to beg for it still. The Prime Minister watched the thing, big up Mr. Honorable. I so interview him. So right now I will get a fish dinner. Hey, get the fish dinner for me, you know. So so basically we correct ourselves.
Yeah.
It was about $6,000 get you up and running in the fishing business.
In the fishing. And I mean, I must tell you,
Louder.
in Kingston,
In Kingston.
small 50. Small 50. Red peas with chicken, but chicken I can't come.
Well, we'll get you some better mask, you know.
Yeah, man. You know, because I was drinking, I stopped.
We'll get you some. Because Prime Minister called me last time and said, Randy, what kind of business? I said, hey. I never cuss him totally, but I said, yo, bother me. Now for bad him up, you know. Yes, King. Yes, I.
You know, I've got set up.
Now give me a large fish. Give me one more. No man, just one. We just get one. Just get one, alright? Just get a small one. Yeah. So, how was your Christmas?
It was great, man.
Kids are nice?
Family. Yeah, man.
Did the family love the show?
In fact, they do. They do. And I've other family members from other side calling and bigging me up about the video and everything.
Yeah.
And just as some person said, Tyron, put on the mask. That's the only negative
Yeah.
that I would have got. But
Yeah,
everything else.
Everything good.
Yeah, everything else.
Yeah. It's a pleasure working. I'm just even.
Come on, and I follow and subscribe. So I follow anytime something pops up.
Yeah.
You know, whenever you put up a video or anything,
You see it?
I see.
And it's a good program.
It's a good feeling, because sometimes we have our own things. 153 and 5, red peas, chicken foot, chicken neck and 4 foot, fish tea with pumpkin, no good. Chicken foot, small, fish tea, come on, 4 foot and chicken mix. So it's a good feeling, man.
It's a good feeling. Yeah, man. But I tell them, say, I know just the soup, you say, you know. What them call the spot?
Catching up.
Catching hard, but what is the name?
Yeah, so that's the chicken foot and
What is the name of the shop? What's the shop name? See that? Brandon Cook Shops. People. And just the soup nice, you know. The money are fast, you know. You can't go KFC, a line you have to go wait till line up. And the money are wicked down KFC. The real authentic Jamaican food.
Want a bag of food?
No, I don't pay it. So, you're going to get two boxes. Alright. So, I'm going to order for 3.
No, you give me a total.
But the 2 so we will get. Yeah. So, I'm going to order for 1. Okay. So, yeah, man, see them? Alright. Let me explain something to you. The rice, authentic. So, sometime in a Montego Bay, you remember, guys, When you're in Montego Bay, Google Mega Mart. They come right here.
Brother,
And adjust the soup nice, you know.
everything that's
Everything nice. You see?
and we have us is coming straight from resorts.
You're coming from resorts.
We are coming from resorts. So
So
we've been in the resorts where we cook for guests from the world. So we understand when it comes to
Not too spicy.
not too spicy and being creative. Understand being creative to make sure that you know
Ooh.
whoever you cater for enjoy what they got.
Let me tell you some people. This is a fish dinner here. I must have a drink half of fish soup now. Let me tell you something. Is it right now? Let me do the vegetable. The rice. Authentic Jamaican. Everything else a real thing. And me like. Now, a man a nigga do a jerk chicken. And I eat jerk chicken, no way.
See,
But yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Me no drink tea, fish tea, no way. But yes, sir. And you see that fish dinner here?
See. just beyond that connection.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Especially there's something special on the rice.
This one. We put effort into that part.
That's why every time you come on, if I know 11, 12 o'clock, you're not ready yet.
Yeah.
Because you know, there's cooking things to say, so the cooking things to bring back people.
We're gonna try to get the time. Make sure that the food is ready, but make sure that it is properly done.
Yeah.
That means whoever having it, like ourselves, enjoy having it. So put in that extra effort. So if we have any challenge in the morning why it might not ready at a specific time when we say it might be ready, yes, we make sure so we take the extra time to make sure it's done properly.
When you guys come, when this just come off of this thing, the fish soft. Yeah, man. A Jamaica good wife. All I really want now is a good wife. Living in Jamaica ain't no good now. All I really want now is a good wife. Up on the corner, you know, and up on the corner, you know. Man, never walk on. Fuck in your face, boy. You know something up on the corner, and the boy, them I look for me and say, yo, watch yourself, you know, boy. Fuck in your face. Yo, the phone, stand up. Yeah. And people say me have fun. About 10,000 we convinced to come back home, you know. But you have big time spender, man. How did? Give me the box juice, boy. Where you get so much money from my youth? Yo, the food good, man. You can't afford your turn up and eat.
You want to eat your tour?
Yeah, distribution. No, man. When we come to Jamaica, we like to eat the best.
Makes sense.
The other day, I go around one place and eat some chicken, and brother, the worst in my life. I was so upset. And I'm not even put your number in my phone yet, so every time I get up more and call you, I say, yo, get the thing ready for me.
No problem.
And so when we just drive past.
You gotta pick it up.
Every day. You know what we could know? Instead of the rice, we keep put weight on people. You know, if I start cook a fish with some little bit of tonka meal. God. Fish and tonka meal. A polenta, you call it. Big people. The man's a polenta. I said, me I come from to. We say tonka meal for the dog them.
No, but I will them. That is the authentic sound you hear when you come to Jamaica. I want a natural Jamaican cook. Tonka meal. But when you're going to the resort, why I really relate it? Because I've been to both sides, so giving a person an idea of what is it that you're actually talking about. Who know about polenta and don't know about ton calming, you know it's ton calming we're really talking about. Yes, that is what I'm talking about.
Polenta for the foreigners.
Yeah, and ton calming for the authentic.
For the article people then.
While you might not do it in the same concept because you might leave out some things. When you're talking about Jamaica ton calming, you put everything in a one. So the meat and everything in a one. Polenta now, you use the coconut milk, you use the seasoning to give it the flavor, right? And everything. But you serve that as a starch towards complement whatever meat you're gonna add to the plate with vegetables.
So you drink soup every day?
Pretty.
So your wife no complain about no kind of strength?
No,
strong.
Everything good.
It's strong.
Good, I'm telling you.
Soup make you strong.
I tell you, no question about it.
Right.
A lot of times you say, okay, calm down, young man.
Calm down, young man. We have enough baby in the house.
Yeah.
Calm down, brother. And especially the fish soup.
There's this thing about it. You say garlic. Garlic is an essential food for man. You want to build your sperm count.
Garlic. Onion too?
Onion.
Also garlic. And especially the cow food.
Your time.
Cow food, the gelatin. Because I think at the cow bone them used to make films in a Kodak. People don't know that. So the gelatin you are what you eat. Exactly. So when your joints them get weak,
right.
And people say don't eat meat, but it's how you eat meat. But teach them says change and balance, because if you eat meat with fermentation, it will break it down.
Right, but the thing is, it's not just eating the meat. You see, some person will say, alright, you don't want the trashy part of the meat, so you're cooking on the pot, give me the soup.
And that's what I do the other time. I get some cow food and just
give me the soup.
Me get the dog them. Can I never cook it long?
Understand. Give me the soup.
Let me take the soup.
Yeah.
So I never eat the meat.
Nothing wrong. What wrong with it?
Right. Because cow food take long.
Yeah,
you know cow food nowadays.
Yeah man, we pressure it.
Oh, you pressure it?
Yeah. Because you have persons out there who just come and they want the cow food. The cow food, they want the cow skin. They're more fascinated with the cow skin though. Reason being, because you know from bone. What about it?
So now, what make the Jamaican man them stallion? What do you mean?
Good food. Good food.
Good food.
The natural, authentic Jamaican food. That's why
Porridge.
soup.
Cow skin. Cow food.
It's porridge.
Porridge.
And people might look on you and say, after 6 weeks, when you're sick, I can do it.
Okay.
When you're sick, then get soup to drink. So why you not have it when you're healthy and hungry?
So what kind of soup you like?
I like this soup. I like the pumpkin soup. Fish tea, as long as it tastes good and flavorful. That's me.
And what kind of porridge you like?
Porridge, oats porridge, peanut porridge, samola porridge, cream of wheat, you name it. How many can? You know, leave out that. Fiber rice porridge, banana porridge, plantain porridge. I made them. Some is a flexible cook.
Yes.
I'm a flexible cook. So whichever one of them, any one of them in the woman catch.
You don't drink the gungo peas porridge?
No porridge, no. But we never tried the gungo peas.
Alright.
We drink the gungo peas soup. Red peas, chicken for chicken and cow food. Fish tea with pumpkin no more.
Gungo peas porridge. You never hear that one yet.
3 bills.
I don't remember. So me make some gungo peas conch soup the other day. I mean, we make some gungo peas, little bit of gungo peas with veggie chunks. Lord God.
I'm good vibes. You know what it is? That's what this guy. Yeah, red peas, chicken food, chicken and cow food. Fish tea, pumpkin, no more. I don't know what's fish tea separate. Fish tea separate. How much you are? No one. 153 and 5. Brother,
Last week, there for last week.
Yeah.
I see a man, I know that brother down there. Everything good. Today I'm on a house now work on, so I look to material now.
Yeah. Alright. I get this shit at all.
Alright. What size is that?
Yeah. What is that now? 223.
He was what's up?
What was that, son?
So we're talking about the boat, we move to other things.
You're looking for a man thing.
Yeah.
It's kind of food where the man
Yeah,
strong.
man. Our things is Jamaican food.
The porridge and thing.
Yeah, man. If you are a real artist in Jamaican, man, and I talk about the recent one, young Jamaicans, where exposed. Alright. When you
A
expose.
film soup container there?
Yes, man.
I saw him cut weight them. World, you see how him just slip it in? See top dog, you see how him just do people? And this him drinking soup out every day him come just put aside of you.
All the while. Every day.
See him there? You know, easy, you know.
See the man?
Hey, people from foreign, make sure they bring on a pot too. Nobody get no little cup, just bring a big dirty pot too. Bring a big and get the extra.
Come on, you want to
Jamaica the best, man. See,
You want to eat food.
I mean, man, top dog have to eat well. Make the girl them yell.
I'll fix up this stuff.
And me too bad enough now because
Start writing my lyrics.
Randy have to eat well. Make the girl them yell. Yo, life good, you know, say life good.
Nice, so they can enjoy yourself.
Yeah, man, yeah, okay.
And that's only when they can get here.
Mm-hmm.
I see. Have 2 times. Fish tea, pumpkin base, red peas, chicken for chicken neck and corn. 5. Chop them. Red peas. That's the great. You understand? Him eat special part of the soup. So, you want the sweet potato. A sweet potato you want, you know? Yeah, sweet potato. Yeah, what? Want 3 bills? Alright, no problem.
Alright, you give me my change?
No, not good.
Alright. So people, see them, man. I know, say, they make a good life there on it. In a MoBay. The place just moving just like Kingston a little bit. But MoBay is a mixture of returning residents. MoBay is like foreign and Jamaica. And the people them just do them thing and them hustle hard around yourself.
Come up on the bank. Come on the bank.
People just a move and just a move and just a move. Nobody no care about nobody. Them just do what them a do. That's how Jamaica stay. Once you keep moving, you'll be fine. And once you find good people like this, you know, man, so if you do business with, you're good. But the money all about business. Play thing, a big man thing, a man have picnic, a man have life, a man have wife. This is no choice to do foolishness.
Happy wife, happy life.
Happy life, happy wife, everything. So the king there. So I tell you something, my 6,000 US to do the fishing business. I link it up for now. You see me? So it's not a game thing. It's a flame thing. So light it up and make the fire burn. And make sure so you always take your turn to make your income and thing. Randy dep on it. For a long time. Blessings and love. See the man that pay me for eat and place. I saw it going up people. I'm going to collect like the gangster that I am. In Jamaica. Yo brother, it's a respect and honor. I go put it up. Give them the number again.
781-1422.
See it there. See the soup there. When you come out for the airport, Google Mega Mart. Top dog. I see you. I see nothing. Take your time.
Yeah.
Take care of the ladies then.
Yeah, him now left him soup.
You know, the fish soup. Alright. See you later.
Yeah, man.
Respect.
We link up.
Oh.
That's it.
This is Jamaica, good life, people. You know, me do it already. Run it on it at all times. Hey, 2021. We keep on from 2005 graduate. Always dip on the street. So, what we want, we get the heat from the sun. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm always up on the street, keeping it live and nice and lively. Mr. Foster, the Bentley. And you know, in Jamaica, the girl them plenty. You know, so basically, I'm always say food up on deck, fish soup. A two fish dinner you buy for yourself?
I don't know, man, give me say them paper already. I want chicken, me buy.
Okay.
Give me it, I said it two fish paper already.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know, can I get a fish too?
I say two fish paper already.
You say two fish
I take $500 and buy chicken.
Alright, good.
I never know, I know say fish paper, I'm going to buy chicken. And when they give me it now, they give me two of them. So them paper.
Alright.
I have a chain in the pocket,